everybody, welcome back to another episode of Book It and Cook It. I'm Vicki Fleshour.
And I'm Kara Kenny.
We are doing a pumpkin crunch bar today. Our spice is pumpkin pie spice. So we're going to make a recipe that's from allrecipes.com. Kara's going to read off the ingredients. It's pretty simple. When we came up with this recipe, it made me think of elementary school and homemade pumpkin crunch bars that we had at school.
And this is a quick dessert that you could have for Thanksgiving coming up. So the ingredients are fairly simple. It's 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix.
Yeah.
1 12-ounce fluid can of evaporated milk, a cup and a half of white sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then once we get all that mixed, we'll have a yellow cake mix that we'll put on dry with some chopped pecans and some melted butter.
So Kara's gonna mix all this up. She's got the pumpkin in there.
Just put the whole
thing. Yeah, you gotta make sure that it's pumpkin and not the pumpkin pie mix.
It'll say 100% pure pumpkin.
Yes.
Okay, and then I have 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, whatever you like, Milnut, Kroger brand, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to add in the sugar, and the salt is already mixed in with the sugar. We already did that ahead of time. And then all we have left is our pumpkin pie spice, and this is what you will get in your packet, and there's exactly 2 teaspoons what you need for the recipe in the bag.
And don't forget our eggs.
Oh yeah, and our eggs. Yep, that's right. I almost forgot the eggs. But there's 4 eggs. And now I'll take it over in the mixer and mix it up. And basically this is what it will look like if you make a pumpkin pie. It's basically the same thing.
Yeah, it's basically the same ingredients.
It'll be liquidy like pumpkin pie usually is. And then you just take this over.
And we have a greased 9x13 pan here.
That came from our library of things.
We also have a mixer in the library of things, a handheld KitchenAid mixer if you need to borrow that to make your Thanksgiving meal or Christmas cookies. We also have Christmas cookie cutters up there as well, and some other cake pans.
Okay, that's all we need to do for that. Now we will take our yellow cake mix and you just leave it dry, and then you just take it and kind of sprinkle it over the pie mixture.
And that was just a regular box cake mix.
Yep.
It doesn't matter what brand you use or anything, just a yellow cake mix.
Yeah. Okay, now we want to sprinkle over the pecans over the top of it. And this says to do 1 cup chopped. Is this 1 cup?
Yeah, that's a cup.
Okay, so you will use all of this that Vicki was nice enough to chop up for me.
Actually, they were already chopped.
Oh.
They were in a bag in the freezer. If you didn't know, you can keep nuts in the freezer so they don't spoil on you in the cupboard. If you keep them in the freezer, they keep for a very long time.
Okay, Now that's done, and you'll wipe off the cake mix off the edges so that doesn't burn. And now you just drizzle with the melted butter, and this is 1 cup melted.
So that would be 2 sticks. And once again, we're doing this at the library, and the staff are going to benefit from our cooking today.
So this is all we have to do for it before we stick it in the oven, and it bakes in a 350 oven for 60 to 80 minutes.
So Kara's going to put that in the oven, and then we're going to give you some tips, some information about pumpkin pie spice, some history on it.
We'll start it at an hour, and then we can go from there.
Okay, some history of pumpkin pie spice that Kara's looked up for us.
Some fun facts about it is that pumpkin pie spice was first found in a cookbook in America in 1796 as a spice variation, and pumpkin pie spice is comprised of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and allspice. So if you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can just substitute those 5 ingredients and you can have pumpkin pie spice on hand. And that's the fun facts from
the internet?
Yeah, from the internet.
Okay.
From
All right.
Wikipedia.
We're gonna let the pumpkin pie bars bake, and then when they are done, we'll take those out and come back and show you the finished product.
Okay, we've taken our pumpkin pie bars out of the oven after an hour. And this is what they look like, and now we'll just let them cool and cut them into squares.
Okay, we're gonna try this. It's probably gonna be really hot, but we'll see. Tastes like fall. Good pumpkin flavor.
And even though it's hot, it's really, really good hot.
We didn't have any Cool Whip to put on it, but you could put Cool Whip or ice cream on this and it would still be really good too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and our videos. Come back next month. We're going to be doing orange cardamom cookies for Christmas. So we have matching Christmas aprons, so we'll be wearing our Christmas aprons. So we'll see you then.
See you
Bye.
later. Bye.